The Storm Prediction Centers put us in the marginal risk area, the eastern part of the valley, for severe thunderstorms on our scale of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the lowest category, 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest. Isolated severe storms are possible in the valley this evening. This other shade back here means there's a risk of just regular non-severe thunderstorms. So in the eastern part of the valley, especially the possibility of stuff later on this evening. And of course, radar already showing some showers, and these aren't even the ones we're talking about, the ones that have the potential to go severe. And again, about a 1 in 25 chance, something like that, would be in the eastern part of the valley with the front itself. But this is where the rain is right now. Folks going home from school running into showers near Los Fresnos, Rio Hondo, east side of Harlins, and up to the north from there. But the front is still way up here. And notice right now, there's no rain with the front once you get west of Corpus Christi. But the issue is that as it continues pressing southward, it works with the available moisture, of which there's a lot more as you get closer to the coast, and triggers showers and thunderstorms. And the severe part of it means there could be some gusty winds. I think that's the biggest threat. No significant threat of anything more than that, but certainly if you're in the valley tonight, just keep an eye out for some gusty winds. When that front comes through, it could trigger some strong storms. Now, these are the current temperatures. The front's already gone through Laredo, but you can't tell by the temperature. The wind has shifted, but the cool air kind of lagging a little bit farther behind. So they're still 82. It's still 89 in Alice at this hour. Across the valley, McAllen has reached 90, 83 Brownsville, 79 degrees right now at the beach. Let's watch Future Check, see what it does for the temperatures. Front gets here later this evening. Once it's through, by midnight, temperatures fall into the 60s. Even the beach will cool off later on tonight. And by 7 a.m., we're all in the 50s. We've been in the 50s before this week, right? Well, then by afternoon tomorrow, sun's going to come out. And even with that, only in the 60s. You'll need a sweater or a jacket pretty much all day tomorrow. It's not going to warm up much. And then look at Sunday morning. Most of the valley into the 40s to start Sunday. And then by Sunday afternoon, about 70 or so we warm back up just a little bit, but a cold start. Normal high is 79. We're 65 tomorrow after being close to 90 today. 72 Sunday, then 83 on Monday. Again, this is satellite and radar together, and it shows all the moisture pooling along the coast with the front lurking a little bit farther behind. There's the front coming in this evening, probably during football hours, if you will. There's only one game in the valley tonight. That's Admission, so you certainly have a chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm there. Tomorrow, though, things clear out pretty quickly. It's still cool, though, only in the 60s, even with sunshine. Chilly to start the day on Sunday, but sunshine in the afternoon warms us back into the upper 60s and low 70s once again. On Monday, I think we see some sunshine as well. If there's any rain, it'll be late tonight, early tomorrow morning. I put dry in there for the daytime tomorrow, but certainly the possibility of a late night pre-dawn shower still in the forecast. So for tonight, 70 for a low, but we will go cooler than that after the front goes through. Tomorrow, that's not right. We're not going to get to 87. Tomorrow's high is going to stay in the 60s. This, for some reason, didn't update. Let's just cut off Saturday, okay? 67, 70, 80. Much cooler. We'll make sure this updates and have it for you a little bit later in the newscast.